This morning I'd like to do a little review on this little contraption I came up with. I've been doing a lot of smoking for just my wife and I. We're empty nesters, and I've got bigger smokers. Over here I've got a Masterbuilt. You can probably see it over there, a Masterbuilt propane smoker. I've got a big electric smoker. Over here I've got a really big grill over here, but I wanted something small just for her and I. Maybe put one chicken or some pork chops or steaks or whatever on a little roast. And so I didn't want to tap a bunch of money in more smokers, so I already had this little River Grill barrel smoker, which I like real well. And I usually use it with charcoal, or I do cold smoking in it sometimes. And you can see right now it's running at about close to 250 degrees, and that's about the temperature it stays in this setup here. And I'll open it up, and inside you'll see that there's the chicken. And if you look down close, you can see what I've got laying in underneath there is a Char-Broil charcoal starter, a little $10 Char-Broil charcoal starter. And so I thought, well, I'd just try that, and I put it in a half steam table aluminum pan, and I've got a scrap piece of granite sitting under it. And if you look real close in there, you might be able to see there you can see the wood chips. I used hickory on this, and it's been cooking about 5 hours now, and I want to check it. I think it's about ready to come off of here. So I'll put this in and see about where that is. And you can see the temperature there. It's about 175, 180, and that's about the perfect temperature. It's actually getting a little, this is the thickest part of the breast. Let's see where it's at. Okay, it's at 173. And over here, close to the wing, that's always the hardest. That one's still a little bit, it's about 160. So anyway, the chicken is about done, about ready to take off and rest it. And you can see up in here, I've just got this charcoal starter laying up in there, and I can move it around, actually move it around from here. I keep it right there. It's kind of pretty well balanced, and I've got this whole tray pulled out right now. That tray slides in. It usually regulates the airflow on the end, and that's where you usually put your charcoal. And actually this works real well. This pan works better. It's about the right distance, and with this particular setup, and it catches all the drippings. And as you can see, it's still trying to smoke a little bit. And anyway, it's just working great. So I thought I'd share with all my buddies out there on YouTube, and I appreciate everybody that catches my reviews out there, and especially the grilling. I think you all know I like grilling and smoking, so if you have any questions, please ask them and I'll try to answer them. And please subscribe. We appreciate it if you'll subscribe to our channel. And that's James T on YouTube. Thank you.